Hey babes, welcome back to my channel. Stay tuned and continue watching if you want to see how I got this sexy two-piece.
That black girl, look at that black girl. Queen, queen, yeah. Queen.
So before we get started, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. So we're going to be using this shirt and we're going to do an off-the-shoulder shirt. This was not my idea from the beginning, but I had to change it because it wasn't enough shirt. And it still kind of wasn't enough. Okay, so I lined the shirt all the way up to the top where the little Snoopies was on the shoulder, and Polo just wants to be in the way today, as usual. Y'all, he's such a good dog. But he's bad as well. Okay, so let's get into this video. So we're gonna cut at the bottom of the sleeve. And ladies, I keep forgetting, even though I done so many of these videos, I keep forgetting to make sure I give myself extra inches on the shirt. So my sleeves was a little snug, but they worked out. And you have to remember that the t-shirts is not that stretchy, so keep that in mind. Okay, so we're pretty much just going to go ahead and cut out the shirt if Polo would give me some space. Okay, now we're going to cut across the bottom of the shirt.
Purchase your tracks today.
And so now we're just going to do the same exact thing to the other side. Yo, Polo was really trying me today. Like, look at him. He was really trying. Okay, so now we're gonna put the sleeves like straight down to the side, and then we're just going to go ahead and cut straight across the top of the shirt. I really think that I cut too much off, but I kind of didn't have a choice because I cut so much, so close to the top of where the neck was on the blue shirt. Look at Polo, y'all. But yeah, it was kind of a little too big. So next time I know I need to, bring my shirt down a little more. So right here, we're just going to go ahead and clean it up a little bit because clearly it wasn't straight across. So now it's time to pick the thread, and usually I pick the same color of what I'm doing, but today I decided to go with the color pink. I don't know why. Well, it does have pink in the little outfit, but I decided to go pink. Y'all, I really didn't notice that Polo just took the thread. He was like so fast with it, like I'm still working and he's over there chewing on my thread. Like, I really can't believe this. So I'm showing you guys where I will be sewing. Under the arms and on the side. You see what he did to it? Strangle his little self. Okay, but yeah, we're gonna turn it inside out, and we are going to start to sew the shirt. So now that the shirt is all sewn up, that's how it looks inside out, and we're gonna flip it around and show you guys. And right there, if you notice when I was putting my arm in the sleeves, you can see it was a little bit snug. But yeah, that's the shirt. Super cute, right? I love the colors. So now we're gonna go in with the bottoms, you guys. So I wanted to do some small shorts. The shorts that I used was really not a good idea, but I didn't know that until after the video. And I really should have cut all the way up to use more, because I did get a little thick, so the shorts were a little too short. I mean, a little too small. Well, a lot too small. But right here, we're going to go ahead and cut out the little triangle piece between the legs. Okay, so now we're all done with the shorts. We're going to flip them inside out and begin to sew. So, they're all sewn up, and we just sew up the sides and between the legs. I hate when the shorts look like you can fit them and then you try them on and they don't fit. Oh my God. But anyways, it's try on time. Okay, yes, so this is the finishing look, and as you can see that at the top the shirt is a little too big, but the arms were okay, and I put a little extra little piece at the bottom. I hope this video was really helpful for you guys, and I hope you guys try to accomplish this look. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys next time, and I am out. Peace.